everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
I heard a report, Alex, from Telegram maybe 2 weeks ago that Putin died of a heart attack and was replaced by a clone or such. Possible rumor, or have you heard any further info on this? Appreciate your enlightened presence on Terra.
Not everything on Telegram is true. I don't believe that Putin's dead at all. I don't. I've heard the same thing about Trump, that he was assassinated. Again, let's go back to what I said earlier. All of these things are distractions. What do you want? What are you creating? What are you focused on? That's more important whether a politician has died or not. The most important thing to you, to all of us, should be creating what we want. Okay? To be totally self-confident and free, to unconditionally be responsible for oneself without being coerced by some higher authority. Don't allow yourself to be coerced by anything else. Focus on what it is that you want, what you are creating. You have the power and ability to do that. You do. It is not dependent on anything else or anyone else. No one else is responsible for your happiness but you. You can't put that on anybody else. You just can't. Their responsibility is their happiness. You can share the journey. You can help each other on the journey. But to put your happiness on someone else, not fair. Not fair. If you're not happy with who you are, no one else can make you happy. You have got to come to terms with who you are. And that means you have to know who you are. You will have people along the journey that help you get there. But ultimately, it's on you to figure that out. I can't say it any simpler than that. And a lot will not go there. They just simply refuse to go there for whatever their reasons are. 10 years from now, 20 years from now, God willing, I will say the exact same thing to you. What do you want? You know, who are you? You're going to pull out your driver's license and say, this is who I am, because a government told you that's who you are? You know, is that really who you are? On a soul level, you're a soulful being. You have a soul that is ageless. That's who you are, not the physical body. Well, who is that soul? Who do you know yourself to be? If you were born in a world and you did not have a driver's license and no one gave you a name, who would you be? If you left your body in an out-of-body experience and you were traveling, who would you be? Who are you? It's a simple question, but it's very difficult to answer because you have to take yourself out of the box, out of the matrix. And you're saying, well, how do you do that, Alex? There is no one answer for that. Everybody's journey is different. But if you could imagine yourself in heaven, who would you be? Who would you be if you went to heaven? If you had a complete epiphany of 50 different lifetimes that you've had, and in each lifetime you were someone different, different body, different sex, different personality, and you were to combine all those 50 different lifetimes, and you saw them objectively, and you were shown a movie of who you were in all those different lifetimes. And here you are now, having the knowledge of those 50 lifetimes. Who would you be? I can't answer that question for you. You can't answer that question for me. This is bigger than any of us realize. It truly is. This is not just about Earth. This is not just about this lifetime. This is about the soul of each one of us and the soul of humanity. The soul of humanity. Which is creating and manifesting, not only in third density, but fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and 11th. And how do I know that? Because there are soul groups here that represent every single one of those dimensions. Here now, physically manifesting as part of our civilization. Bigger than anybody realizes. That's why half the galaxy is here.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.